Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you what is inside AVATARZ 2 library. This is a huge update from AVATARZ 1 to AVATARZ 2. We updated PNG files, source files, tutorials and everything. So it was built from scratch, it's new, it has so many new things. So let's get to it. One thing what I wanted to mention, to get updated information always go to avatarz.design, because it can happen that we can add multiple new hairs or new clothes or new outfits and everything will be here. So definitely be sure that you check this page before buying. Okay, let's go to the avatars, what is inside. So firstly what we can see, we have female, male and source files. In a female we have female PNG files and as you can see we have 3 skins. So let's check black female and we have different poses. So if I click for example on the pose 1, as you can see I have different PNG files with transparent background. As you can see it's changing, right? So this is what is inside. Alright, here is the pose 2 and so on. And you can just easily use them. The cool thing is that they are nicely cropped. It means that there is no extra white space. So if you use them in Photoshop, Figma, Sketch or any other tool, it's much easier to use them. Okay, so this is it. You can see all the poses on the web page. So definitely check them out. Then we have the male, the same structure, black, brown, white. In total, all of them, there are more than 8,000 PNG files. Again, this number can grow. So this is how it looks like for the male. There are so many different combinations, as you can see. So changing hairs, changing eyeglasses, changing clothes, poses, different types of eyes, different types of mouth, and so on. There are so many. There are more than 400 million combinations. So it's like a huge. Okay, so this was the PNG files, more than 8,000 PNG files. And now let's go to the source files. In the source files, what you can see, I uploaded tutorials. In tutorials, I recorded special tutorial for avatars, but on our YouTube channel, you can see many different tutorials, easy to follow, 1-2 minutes long, to show you how to change color, how to change clothes, how to navigate with the generator and so on. So anytime if you are lost, go to our YouTube channel, and if you have any question, reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. Here is also skin color used. It's basically I wanted to give you a hint which colors I used for the skins. So if you want to recreate and to add new avatars in the specific color scheme, definitely this can help you. Okay, so let's jump to the male. For example, I'm opening the Blender file. Actually Blender is for free and we created many tutorials which are easy to follow. Here what I can see, I have the Blender file. This is what is inside. Here is the, call it generator, Blender generator. Thanks to that you can easily change, for example, the hair. See, I changed the hair. This is how easy it is navigate. You just turn it off, turn it on, that's it. And the same structure is working also for the eyes, for example. So here we have the dollars. If I want to see how it will look on the render and calculate the lights, this is how it look like. So it's pretty cool because we optimized the lighting for the white UI and black UI. Okay, so let's, for example, have this sad eyes, and you have like, you can create any emotion here. It's so funny. Or I can like here happy. So this is how I can change it. Like it's happy, right? So it's changing eyebrows, it's changing the facial expression. And you can create your own. This is like you have so many navigators, and in tutorial I will show you how you can play with that. It's pretty simple. Like I can just click the bone and to move the avatar. So easy to follow. Okay, let's jump to the material preview. So as you can see, we have different objects inside which you can reuse, add to the avatar. Okay, so let's take a look, for example, on the outfits, because I think it's quite funny what we have inside. For example, we have astronaut, right? So it's astronaut, chief, worker. We have firefighter, right? So I'll turn it on. Then I can put some bird on top of that, or I can second bird, right? And I easily can just render the image. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can get a render and this is how you can easily customize. So this is what is inside. This is the Blender file with Blender generator. Also, there is a license. Regarding the license, we have it for all our 3D libraries the same. Basically, you can't resell our 3D libraries. You can't upload in a marketplace and just resell it. You can use it for your projects, for your clients, for anything where you don't just resell PNG files or source files. If you have any questions regarding the license, because there can be some custom license for your use case, definitely reach out to me at samuel@3d.design, because I know that there are different needs for different people. So definitely reach out to me and I will happily answer you. Thank you so much. That was it. If you want to learn more about AVATARZ, what is inside, how it grew, go to avatarz.design. If you want to learn more about our other 3D libraries, definitely go to 3d.design. We are growing. We have so many cool 3D libraries which you can combine together and create anything you want to with 3D. And if you want to be around like-minded people, definitely check our Discord server. And if you have any question, again, reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. Have a great day. Stay creative. Bye.